Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export code files from Google AI Studio. All right, let's begin. First, open Google AI Studio and go to the Build section. From there, open the Apps tab where you can see all your existing projects and applications. Next, select the app for which you want to export the code files. Once the project preview page opens, look at the top left corner of the panel and click on the Code option. Inside it, click on the download icon at top right corner. Google AI Studio will then automatically download all of your project files in a zip folder. After the download is complete, move the zip file to your desktop or another location on your computer. Then extract the zip file to unpack the contents. This will create a normal project folder containing all the exported code files from your Google AI Studio app. Once extracted, you can browse through the folders and access all project files directly from your computer. So that's basically how you can export code files from Google AI Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks.